Hello everyone, good evening once again, and you all welcome back to Internet Arena. And in today's video we are going to look at how you can make money with Palmpay app in Ghana right here. Okay, so without wasting my time, let's just get into the we're gonna look at how you can start everything. Okay, so all you have to do is to go to your Play Store or your App Store and search for Palmpay Ghana, okay, or Palmpay app. So this is how the app actually looks like. So all you have to do is click on the open, or once you haven't downloaded it, you just have to click on download, and after everything you have to open the app. Okay, so this is actually how the interface looks like, and this app is actually paying you 10 Ghana cedis free for inviting friends and family to join them. Okay, and it's not actually paying for that, and you can also use it to transfer money from your mobile money wallet to your friend or family member. You can buy airtime, data bundle, water bills, and so on. Okay, so let me show you how you are gonna get started on this app. Okay, so once you open it, you can see the me right here, okay, down here. So you just have to click on the me, and this is where we are going to look at. Okay, so you can see this Elvis, that's my name. But once you are new, you are going to see sign up or login. Okay, so let me just try and log out and start everything afresh for you to see. Okay, so all you have to do is to click on this sign up. Okay, sign up or sign in. So you just come to the me right here and you click on the sign up or sign in right here. So when you click on it, you are going to see this pop up. Okay, so you just have to provide a valid phone number, because they are going to send you an SMS so that you can verify your account. So let me provide my number right here, and I'll enter my first name. Okay, so go ahead and enter your first legal name and your last name. Okay, so write everything. You just choose your gender. So I'm a male, and your date of birth. Please, it should be correct information. Okay, all right, so right after everything you just have to, okay, so what I want you to look at is, you can see this invitation code right here. Okay, so please kindly use the code on the screen so that I'm also gonna benefit. Okay, I'm going to be rewarded something small, and this is how you're going to do everything. After using my code, you are going to be rewarded with 12 Ghana cedis. Okay, you're going to be rewarded with 12 Ghana cedis that you're going to start with. So after everything, you can also start sharing your links and earn more. Okay, so just enter the code as you see on the screen. So I don't actually remember, so I'm just gonna enter anything here, and you come all the way up here. So you can see this send SMS. Please kindly click on it so that an SMS will be sent to your phone number that you provided, and then that SMS is gonna contain some 4-digit code. Just enter it right here so that you can verify your number, and after doing that, you just have to come down here and click on the sign up. Okay, so I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in so that you're going to see how everything looks like. So let me go ahead and log in to my account. Okay, so once you are done with the sign up, you are going to be asked to set a password or a pin code so that it's gonna protect your account from hackers or anyone who takes your phone. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm gonna enter my code. Sorry, I can't show you that. So you can see login success. Okay, so once you are done with it, this is how your dashboard is gonna look like. Okay, and you can actually see this. So please kindly take a screenshot of this, and I'm gonna show you what we are going to do with it. Okay, so I have the screenshot already. So once you are done with everything, I mean the sign up, you can see this is how the dashboard looks like, and it's not actually for only earning money, but you can also use it for transferring money to friends and family, buying of airtime, data bundles, water bills, refer and okay, so let's go to what we are actually here for. So you just have to click on this refer and earn right here, and you are going to be directed to this place. Okay, so if you used my referral code, you are going to get 12 cedis instantly after your sign up. Okay, so you can see I have 12 cedis in my account right here right now. So what I want you to do is click on this invite friend. Okay, click on the invite friend and you get your referral link. Okay, so just copy the referral link to your clipboard, all right, and head on to your Facebook, WhatsApp, everywhere that you can share. Okay, everywhere that you can share. So you remember I told you to take a screenshot of that pop-up when we open the app at first. Okay, so this is what you are going to do with the screenshot, or you can also take a screenshot of this or something that's going to convince those you want to invite. Okay, so after taking the screenshot, you just have to follow this process so that you can get your subscribers or your referrals easily. Okay, so head on straight to your Facebook account and search for how to make money online. Okay, so in the group session, just let's say make money online. Okay, and go to the groups right here. So in the groups you can see there are different groups right here. So let's say I'm going for the first one, and all you need to do is post that picture that you took the screenshot. Okay, the one I asked you to take a screenshot, just post that picture. Okay, so I'm going to select that and I'll go next. So let's see something convincing, something nice, so that friends and family are going to join us. So hey friends, look at what I found. It's this app that's actually paying us $1 per invite. Okay, kindly click on the link below and try it out. Okay, so after that you just have to paste your link that you copied from the app, okay, to this place. Okay, so I'm going to just go ahead and paste my link right here. Okay, so you can choose to delete this hey I enjoy huge discount because you've already written something nice that's actually gonna convince them. Okay, so you can actually delete up to this place. Tap on the link below or use my invitation code to register. All right, so just click on the post, and when everyone clicks on your link and signs up on the site or the app, you actually gonna receive 12 cedis instantly in your account. Okay, so this is how you can make money with a Palmpay app in Ghana right here. Thank you for watching. Please, if you enjoyed my video, kindly subscribe, like this video and share. Okay, so that I'm gonna actually be able to provide you with more contents like this. Thank you. I'm signing out. Boom.